Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a virtual private network on your Mac. We will cover two primary methods: using a dedicated VPN application, which is often the simplest approach, and manually configuring your VPN settings directly within Mac OS. Understanding both options will help you choose the best fit for your personal security and privacy requirements. Whether you prioritize ease of use or specific control, we have you covered with clear, step-by-step instructions for each method. The easiest way to get started is by using a dedicated VPN application. First, choose a trusted VPN provider and sign up for their service. Many offer a free trial period, typically 7 days, allowing you to test it out. Next, download and install their official application from their website or the App Store. Once installed, simply open the app, log in with your account details, and click the Connect button to secure your internet traffic instantly. It's often a one-click solution. For those who prefer more control or have specific network requirements, manual configuration is an excellent option. You will need to obtain the necessary server details from your VPN provider or network administrator. This typically includes the server address, your username, and password. Then, open System Settings on your Mac, go to the Network section, and click the plus icon to add a new VPN connection. Select the VPN type, enter all the provided information, and click Connect to establish your secure tunnel. After setting up your VPN, it is crucial to verify that it is working correctly. You can easily do this by searching what is my IP address on a web browser before and after connecting to your VPN. The addresses should be different. For enhanced security, always use strong, unique passwords for your VPN account. Furthermore, keep your VPN application and Mac OS updated to their latest versions. This ensures you benefit from the newest security patches and features, maintaining a robust and private online experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.